Welcome to SPT Online Capsule Classes. Today we are going to do a question from Motion in a Straight Line. The question is, a stone is dropped from a balloon going up with a uniform velocity of 5 meters per second. If the balloon was 60 meters high when the stone was dropped, find the height of the balloon when the stone hits the ground. Take g equal to 10 meters per second square. So we need to calculate the height of the balloon from the ground when the stone hits the ground. So here we are taking the sign convention as the upward direction as positive and the downward direction as negative. Okay, so you are throwing a stone from a 60-meter height, and when you drop that stone, already that balloon is going up with the uniform velocity 5 meters per second. So the equation that we are going to take to calculate the time taken for the stone to hit the ground is S equal to ut plus half at square. The distance that stone will travel will be definitely 60 meters because you are dropping that stone from a height of 60 meters. Since the downward motion is negative, you should substitute minus 60. The initial velocity that you need to substitute is 5 meters per second. The reason is because when you drop the stone, the balloon was already going up with uniform velocity 5 meters per second. So upward motion taken as positive, so positive 5 multiplied by t plus half multiplied by acceleration. You need to substitute minus 10 since the stone is coming down into t square. When you reduce that equation, you will be getting minus 60 equal to 5t minus 5t square. So this becomes a quadratic equation. It becomes 5t square minus 5t minus 60 equal to 0. When you solve this, you will be getting time t equal to 4 and minus 3. Since time cannot be negative, we are taking that positive value, which is 4 seconds. So we understood that it will take 4 seconds for the stone to hit the ground. So the balloon was already at 60 meters high when you drop the stone, so we need to calculate how much distance more the balloon has traveled for that force in that 4 seconds. We know that to calculate distance, you can multiply velocity with time. Since the balloon is traveling up with a uniform velocity 5 meters per second, the extra distance the balloon has traveled is that 5 meters per second multiplied by 4 seconds, that is 5 into 4, 20 meters. So the total height now the balloon is at is nothing but 60 meters from the ground plus that extra distance that the balloon has traveled in that 4 seconds is 20 meters. So altogether you will be getting 80 meters. So that's how to calculate the height of the balloon when the stone hits the ground. Thank you.